Hey guys, Cam here, and OnePlus's annual spring launch has arrived again. We were sent the new OnePlus 8 model, so as well as reviewing them as normal, we thought we'd unbox them, show you what comes in the packaging, and give you a brief comparison between the two. Now we're taking the regular OnePlus 8 out of the box here, but in truth the unboxing experience is the same for both devices. What you won't get in your retail unit is this review sample kit for media. It is a nice extra touch and as usual comes with a couple of the new cases to try out, and this year that includes a bright teal one with a rough sandstone finish. But to the retail box. Now this year we have a bright red box with contrasting black text. It's pretty striking, and on that label on the back there's a pretty big push to mention the partnership with Google. That could be a sly dig at Huawei or Honor, or more likely just something to mention the further integration of Google services in this new phone, or pair of phones. And once we take the lid off, we can move the phone to the side for later and get a look at what else is in the box. As always, OnePlus is pretty generous with extras. The box with all the paperwork has the SIM ejector tool fixed onto a thick piece of card, which, as it turns out, is hiding a message from Pete Lau, the company's co-founder, directed to the community. It's a nice touch and one that recognizes how much influence OnePlus's community actually has on the brand. The other guides are nice fold-outs that are easy to understand, but more importantly, stickers, and lots of them. Now OnePlus has redesigned its free transparent case so that it now contains the company's motto, never settle, subtly printed on it. There's also a traditional bright red power cable and the 30-watt wired warp charge adapter, which can supposedly half fill your phone in less than 25 minutes, whether you get the regular OnePlus 8 or the Pro model. So that's the unboxing done, now let's power it up. Now one thing we really like is this new glacial green colour and finish. It's a lovely frosted effect on the glass, and the green is a subtle teal, almost seafoam green but with a tint of blue. It still reflects light but is more resistant to fingerprint grease. It has the usual alert switch and lock button on the right, although the alert switch has been made smaller this year. It's the same on the Pro model, which is almost identical except a bit wider and taller, and it has a subtle groove in the top edge of the phone. Now both have the same selection of ports on the bottom, including the Type-C port, speaker grill and the SIM tray. Both have a fluid AMOLED panel on the front featuring the small hole punch cutout in the top corner and curves towards the edges, making them look like they're in the same range. And that's something that the OnePlus 7T and the 7T Pro didn't really do. The smaller screen is a 90Hz Full HD Plus panel, while the bigger one is 120Hz and Quad HD Plus for even smoother animation and sharper details. They're both powered by the Snapdragon 865 with X55 5G modem built in, and both come as 8GB or 12GB RAM models, with 128GB or 256GB of storage. On the battery front, it's 4,510 mAh versus 4,300. Only the larger one is equipped with OnePlus's brand new 30-watt wireless charging tech, which can fill it up almost as fast as the wired warp charging. Sadly, we haven't been sent the charger yet, so we can't test that. Now, as for the cameras, they both do similar things, but to different levels. The 8 Pro has a 3x telephoto zoom, as well as a primary, ultra-wide and a color filter camera, and it can zoom digitally up to 30 times. The regular 8 has a lower quality primary camera with an ultra-wide and a macro sensor. It can zoom, but only up to 10 times and not optically. Now they run Android 10 with ColorOS 10.5 on top, and that means a lightweight software that's fluid, customizable, and now has deeper Google integration with built-in Google One support and a free trial for OnePlus 8 buyers. So there's your quick look at these two new devices and what comes in the box. We'll bring you a review very shortly, once we've had a little bit more time with the 8 Pro. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter, so you can follow me on there or ask me questions. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more of our videos, and I'll see you again soon.